Black judge on charges of car theft unveiling the shocking truth behind the officer's accusation. Judge Marcus Williams, a respected figure in the community, had just finished a long day in court. As he walked to his car, he noticed a police officer approaching. "Excuse me, sir," the officer said. "Is this your vehicle?" Marcus nodded, puzzled. "Yes. Is there a problem?" The officer's demeanor shifted. "I'm going to need you to step away from the car. We have a report of a stolen vehicle matching this description." Marcus's heart raced. "There must be some mistake. This is my car. I have the registration and everything." Ignoring his protests, the officer handcuffed Marcus and read him his rights. Onlookers gathered, whispering and recording the scene on their phones. Marcus felt a mix of anger and humiliation. How could this be happening to him? At the police station, Marcus was placed in a holding cell. Hours passed before he was finally allowed to make a phone call. He dialed his lawyer, Sarah, who arrived swiftly. "This is outrageous," she fumed. "They have no evidence. This is clearly a case of racial profiling." The officer who arrested Marcus, Officer Daniels, entered the room. "We've received a tip about a stolen car matching the description of your vehicle," he said. "We had to act on it." Sarah demanded to see the evidence. Daniels hesitated before producing a grainy photo of a car that vaguely resembled Marcus's. "This is your proof?" Sarah scoffed. "This could be any car." Determined to clear his name, Marcus and Sarah began their own investigation. They discovered that the tip had come from an anonymous caller. Further digging revealed that the caller had a history of making false reports. Sarah also uncovered that Officer Daniels had a record of complaints for misconduct, particularly against black individuals. "This isn't just about a stolen car," Sarah said. "This is about systemic racism." The trial was a media sensation. Marcus sat in the defendant's chair, feeling the weight of the world on his shoulders. The prosecution's case was flimsy, relying heavily on the dubious tip and the grainy photo. Sarah presented a compelling defense, highlighting the lack of concrete evidence and the history of racial bias in Daniels' record. She called witnesses who testified to Marcus's character and integrity. In a dramatic turn, Sarah revealed that the actual stolen car had been found, and it was a completely different make and model from Marcus's vehicle. The courtroom erupted in gasps. The jury deliberated for only an hour before returning with a verdict of not guilty. Marcus felt a wave of relief wash over him. He stood, tears in his eyes, as the judge declared him a free man. Outside the courthouse, Marcus addressed the media. "This experience has been a nightmare, but it has also opened my eyes to the injustices that many people face every day. I will use my position to fight against racial profiling and ensure that justice is truly blind." Officer Daniels was suspended pending an internal investigation. Marcus returned to his courtroom, more determined than ever to uphold the law and fight for equality. His case became a catalyst for change, sparking conversations about racial bias in law enforcement and the need for reform. Marcus's story was a testament to the power of resilience and the importance of standing up for what is right. It was a reminder that even in the face of adversity, justice can prevail. What proves? Did you disagree or did you agree? If you liked, please share it with your friends and subscribe for more.